A Spanish translation book launch in Guatemala. Hello, I'm Eric Borman, and this is Square One News Minute. Author Paul Boge was recently in Guatemala for the Spanish translation release of his book, The Sound of Hope, the Ernesto Pinto Story, which celebrates the life and ministry of Ernesto Pinto. Paul, along with Ernesto and Marina Pinto, welcomed an enthusiastic crowd that couldn't wait to get their hands on a copy of the book. Ernesto and Marina have a large radio and television presence in Guatemala, and people came from all over for the chance to receive the book and to meet the man who has been ministering to them for years. One longtime listener drove up to 6 hours just to be at the celebration. 1 Chronicles 16 verse 34 says, "Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever." Visit squareoneworldmedia.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and God bless.